Hey everyone, welcome back to the garage. Today I want to go over something with you that just had happened to our 2013 Honda Odyssey. So we're here in the engine bay, and what I have here is the air intake bellow or ducting that goes from the air cleaner to the throttle body. I was in here the other day and I just happened to notice something, and what I noticed was a tear on the intake bellow itself right there. It's very hard to see because when this is installed, it's mounted like that, but this part is down underneath that battery cable, so it was very hard to see. It was just caught the corner of my eye. The issue is that tear in the intake system is in between your air cleaner and your engine, so I was picking up some dirty air from behind the battery, no doubt going into the engine, and when I look into the tube around the hole, you can kind of see some dirt residue. So definitely was getting some dirt sucked into the engine. I'm almost at 15% on the maintenance binder, so I'm going to be dumping this oil soon. Put some fresh oil in there and send it out to be analyzed. See if the oil, if any contaminants got into the oil, and if so, how much and what it looked like. It'll be real interesting. So keep your eyes open for that. But if you have one of these fourth generation Odysseys, I highly recommend that you check your duct and make sure that it's not compromised, because you'll be sucking in dirty air. Part number wise, right there, 17228-RV0-A00. I got it right from my local Honda dealership because they called them at 4:30 and they could have a new one for me the next day. Let's go over changing this. If you're going to change it, it's pretty simple. You got a band clamp here, a band clamp here. You got an electrical harness that's connected to it. And then back here you have a vacuum line that comes in that services something, not sure what. But so basically what you would do is 5.5 millimeter nut here, 5.5 millimeter nut on the back side here. Loosen those up all the way. It's threaded, so take it all the way out to there. And then what you're going to do is this. Actually, you can do this by hand. It's not that bad, and it also has rubber on it, so it doesn't cut your fingers. And then you're just going to want to disconnect this here. So you just push on that, pull that off, disconnect it out of your tube, put it out of the way, and then you can manipulate that right out. Once you have it out, the new piece does not come with the band. So basically you're just you'll squeeze the tube. It's very pliable. You'll get that band off. There's a notch to line it up. Make sure you orient it correctly so you can get to the nuts easily. And you're gonna do that on both sides. And then install is gonna be the reverse of how you took it apart. Don't pay somebody to do this for you. Do it yourself. The part, like I said, getting it through the dealership, 47 bucks after tax here in upstate New York. I think it was $52.04. And like I said, I went with a Honda part because they could get it to me the next day. Anything online, I was looking at a couple days out and didn't want to wait that long once I knew about it. So check your intake hose. You should probably do it every like 5,000 miles. Just check it out, make sure it's good and no problems, no issues. Reach out in the comments section if you have any questions or concerns, and talk to you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.